Hello all. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to find out percentile in SQL. So for this, we'll be taking the help of country table, which is present in Vault database. Now, as you can see, I've already executed the select query. And these are the column names that we have along with the corresponding data in country table. Now I need to show the percentile of each country with respect to GNP. So as you can see, we have this GNP column and this name column is nothing but country. So I need to show the country along with the GNP values and the corresponding percentile, which is to be calculated with respect to GNP. Now let's first understand what is percentile. So percentile means percentage of records which are less than the given data. So that means somebody has secured 95 percentile. That means 95% of the students have secured less marks than him or her. Now let's get started. So to find out percentile in SQL, we need to use a window function called %_rank. Now let's see how to use that %_rank function. So here I need to show country name, so which is nothing but name column, then GNP column along with the percentile values. So I'll use this %_rank window function. So %_rank, then over, and inside that I will pass order by GNP ascending. Now whenever we want to find out percentile, so we have to arrange that numeric column in ascending order. So here the numeric column that we'll be using is GNP. So we'll arrange the GNP in ascending order. Then I'll give a name to it. Let's say percentile from world.country. Let's execute it. Now as you can see, these are the country names along with the GNP values and the corresponding percentiles. Now the percentile values will range between 0 to 1 over here. So if I want to show that as an exact percentile value, that means between 0 and 100. So for that, what we need to do is we need to multiply it by 100. So that will show us the exact percentile value. So 0, if I say that is 0 percentile and 1 means 100 percentile. So I'll just multiply it by 100 so that we can show it in an exact form. Now if you scroll down, we'll find out that the last record will be having 100 percentile because we have arranged the GNP in ascending order. So it's obvious that the last record will have the highest GNP value. So we can say that 100% of all the countries are having GNP lesser than that of United States. So in other words, we can say United States is having the highest GNP. So that's why it is having 100 percentile. So in this way, we can solve this first question. Now coming to the second question. The second question is you need to show percentile of each country under each continent with respect to GNP. That means under each continent, I need to show the list of country names along with the GNP values, and you should have the percentile values ranging between 0 and 100 in each continent. So here in the previous case, we were finding out the percentile of each country with respect to GNP. That means overall, what are the percentile of countries with respect to GNP? We were not depending on any other column. But here we're depending on continent column. Under each continent, I need to show what is the percentile values ranging between 0 and 100. So that means in Asia, which all countries are having percentile ranging between 0 and 100. In Europe, which all countries are having percentile ranging between 0 and 100, and in this way. So it depends on the continent column. So for this, what we need to do is write select, then I'll add this new column that is continent, then name, GNP, and the window function that is %_rank. Then I'll use over. So along with order by, I will pass one more argument that is partition by continent, because we need to find out the GNP values of countries with respect to GNP, but under each continent. So that means I need to partition them with respect to continents. So that's why we are mentioning partition by continent. So whenever you are using a window function, if you have an upper hierarchy column, so here in this case, continent is having the upper hierarchy column, and the calculation has to be done under each value of continent. That means under each value of upper hierarchy column, and name is the lower hierarchy because under each continent you have different countries. So when the calculation has to be done with respect to each value of upper hierarchy column, or whenever you're using a window function where the calculation has to be done with respect to each value of upper hierarchy column, then we need to use partition by. So partition by the upper hierarchy column. So here the upper hierarchy column is continent. So partition by continent, then order by GNP ascending order. Then I will multiply it by 100 so that it will show the exact percentile value, and I'll give a name to it, that is percentile from world.country. Let's execute it. As you can see the continent names. So it is starting from 0. So in Asia, we have the lowest GNP for East Timor. So that's why the percentile is 0. And if you scroll down and if you see the last record of Asia, so the last record of Asia is Japan. So Japan is having 100 percentile. So in other words, we can say that Japan is having the highest GNP in Asia. Similarly, under Europe, starts from 0. So Faroe Islands and Svalbard and Jan Mayen are having 0 percentile. That means they are having the minimum GNP value. And then again, if you scroll down, so Germany is having the highest GNP, so its percentile is 100. Then when it moves to the next continent, it is North America, it is again restarting to 0. So in this way, it will show us the country names with percentile values with respect to GNP under each continent. Now in the last question, so here what you need to show is show percentile of each country and percentile of each continent with respect to GNP. So we need to show 5 columns basically. Country column along with the percentile of country with respect to GNP, continent column along with percentile of continent with respect to GNP, and GNP column. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to first find out the percentile of continent. Now let's find out the percentile of continent. So here it is saying that for each continent, what is the percentile value? So we know that we have 7 continents. So that means in the output, it should show me 7 records, all the continent names along with the total GNP and their corresponding percentiles. So here we need to use aggregate function, that is sum of GNP. So select continent, comma, sum of GNP, and I will give a name to it. Let's say as total underscore GNP. Then from world.country, group by continent. So now as you can see, we have 7 records. So for each continent is showing us the total GNP. Now I need to show the percentile values of each of this continent based on this total GNP. So here with respect to GNP is nothing but with respect to total GNP, because we need to show for each continent, and in total we have 7 continents, but the total number of records in this table is 239. As you can see over here, we have total 239 records. So I will add that window function. So comma percent underscore rank over. Now here I have only one column, that is continent. So no need to use partition by over here. Just like in the first question, I wanted to show only country column. So we don't have any upper hierarchy column. Only country column needs to be shown. So that's why we didn't use any partition by. And this GNP is nothing but a numeric column. So over here also I need to show only continent column. And the sum of GNP is nothing but an aggregated function. So since we don't have any upper hierarchy columns, so no need to use partition by. So just use order by sum of GNP ascending. And I'll give the name as continent underscore percentile so that we can distinguish it later. So this is the result. So for each continent is showing us what are the percentile values. So the highest percentile is North America. So I'll multiply it by 100. So North America is having 100 percentile and the lowest is Antarctica. Now along with that, I need to show the country GNP values as well as the percentile of country. So we'll write one more query. Select continent, comma name, comma GNP, then percent underscore rank over order by GNP ascending. So even if I am using continent column, but still I have not mentioned partition by continent, because here I don't want to show under each continent what is the percentile value of each country. I need to show overall what is the percentile value of each country. Just the continent name is to be shown so that I can get to know that, okay, this particular country belongs to this particular continent. So here I don't want to show under each continent what are the percentile values of countries. So here I want to show overall what are the percentile values of countries along with their corresponding continent names. That's it. So that's why we are not using order by. But in the previous question, we were trying to show percentile of each country under each continent. So for that reason, we use partition by continent. So you have to be specific in the question, and you have to be very careful when you get this type of questions. So I'll just multiply it by 100. And I'll give the name as country underscore percentile, because here it is showing me the percentile values with respect to country from world dot country, and let's execute it. So it is showing me the percentile values. So it is starting from 0, and United States will be having the 100 percentile, as we have seen in the first question. And what are the corresponding continent names? Okay, but I want to show it in a single table. The percentile values of continent, percentile values of country, along with the GNP values and total GNP values. So what I have to do is I will join these two tables, because we know that we have a common column over here that is nothing but continent. So I will store this in a temporary table, store the result of continent percentile in a temporary table called T1, and I will store the result of country percentile in a temporary table called T2, and I will join this T1 and T2. So just remove this semicolon. So just before that, I will write it as select star from this, which is stored in T1, inner join the result of this query, which is stored in T2. So that means we are joining T1 and T2 on T1 dot continent, because continent is a common column, is equal to T2 dot continent. Now let's execute it. As you can see, we have all the required columns. So continent name, total GNP values, along with the percentile of continents. Then you have the continent name, country name, GNP values of each country, along with the percentile values of country. So first is showing for Antarctica. So all the Antarctica countries are having GNP is 0. So both for continent as well as for country, it is showing as 0. Then comes Oceania. So this is showing me the percentile for continent, and this is showing me the percentile for country. So here the country percentile is shown overall. It does not depend upon the continent. So that's why you will not find any 100 percentile multiple times. So you'll find only 100 percentile once. That is for United States. So in this way, we can solve this type of question. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.